This video is sponsored by Squarespace, more about them later. IKEA released so many new products this fall. From furniture pieces to organization finds, there are a ton of new pieces you just have to see. So today we're going to my favorite new IKEA finds for fall 2025. I'm Man, this is Mars, thank you so much for stopping by. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to the channel, ring the notification bell and hit that like button to never miss another video again. Now let's go! We're starting right off with a new lamp at IKEA, and that is this gorgeous Bluetooth speaker table lamp. This one has such an interesting shape, I love it so much. It comes in 3 different color options, this gorgeous beige, a light blue one, and black. I love the design and the fact that this is a lamp and a Bluetooth speaker in one and comes at $59.99 is just amazing. Can't wait to get mine on my next trip to IKEA. Another lamp I'm just dying to get on my next trip to IKEA is of course the new matchstick floor lamp. Have you seen this one, guys? When I first saw this lamp, I literally screamed. It's such a cool piece, I think would be a real IKEA icon. I've already seen people using it in their homes and it's just such a steal for a cute and funky design like this. Plus the light it spreads is so warm and cozy in real life. Loving it. An old IKEA product that was given a new look this season is the VITTSJÖ table that now comes in this gorgeous combination of creamy beige powder coated metal and a walnut wood shelf. It has such a sleek and airy design with tempered glass on top that looks so elegant and so much better than the black combination. Another new IKEA find is one of the TONSTAD collection, and that is this extendable table in oak veneer. I've been loving everything in the TONSTAD collection, and this table blends classic design with beautifully brushed matte oak veneer, giving each piece its unique character. This dining table easily extends from a cozy 2-seater to a roomy 4-seater and looks so beautiful at the same time. Plus it comes in 3 wood finishes, but I love this oak one the most. Now moving on to the kitchen, there are actually so many new products I absolutely love. And we're starting with the new fridge organizers. First we have this drink holder. I mean, isn't this the best product for organizing drinks in the fridge? What I love about it is the fact that you can easily widen it to suit most cans and bottles. It's such a nice product to keep your fridge neat at all times. Now before moving on to our next IKEA find, let me tell you a bit about today's sponsor Squarespace, the ultimate platform for creating stunning websites. If you know me, you know that I love Squarespace so much, and I especially love their incredible print-on-demand feature. It's just such a smart solution. If you want to sell custom merchandise without dealing with inventory or shipping, you just upload your designs and Squarespace handles everything else. It's just perfect for creators looking to expand their brand with minimal hassle. Not to mention their online store features. I've been using it myself and it's just unbelievable how easy they make it to showcase products with beautiful galleries and videos. Plus you can add customer reviews that build trust instantly. It's such a smart way to boost your sales. Also, their domain services are just the best. When you purchase a domain through Squarespace, you get free SSL security, privacy protection, and unlimited email forwarding all included. It's such a practical one-step solution that saves you time and keeps everything organized in one place. So what are you waiting for? Head on to squarespace.com for a free trial and And when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/homebymon to get 10% off your first purchase of our website or domain. Thanks to Squarespace for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get back to our new IKEA find. Speaking of organizing in the kitchen, another one is this herb storage. I've never seen anything like this, and this is the perfect solution that keeps your herbs fresh for up to 2 to 3 weeks. They retain their nice shape without deforming, and you can easily reach and pinch off herb leaves since the dome has a small opening. Plus, it's transparent, which makes it super easy to see what's inside and check the status of your herbs. Loving it. Another new IKEA find are these food storage boxes. These are perfect for storing fruits and vegetables that thrive at room temperature. I just love that you can stack 2 boxes on top of each other to save space, plus they look gorgeous. You can keep them visible on your kitchen worktop or in your pantry to free up space and stay organized so no food gets forgotten. Plus, I love the fact that these are made out of solid pine. Another new product from this same collection is this kitchen countertop organizer. I need this one so bad to organize my oils and cooking essentials that are literally always cluttering on the kitchen countertop and always look messy. There is room for cooking utensils too, which I absolutely love. And speaking of utensils, just check out this new set of 3 wooden spoons that look so gorgeous. I love how these look, combining sculptural form with everyday function. Another new set of spoons for those of you who are more into colors is this set of 2 glass spoons that look so funky. I mean, how cute are these? I absolutely love them. They are great for desserts, tea, or just to add a playful touch to the table setting. Now moving on to the hallway, a new product I spotted is this bench with shoe storage made out of solid, untreated pine. I just love compact and versatile products like this that are ideal for small spaces. Plus, the fact that this one is made out of solid pine gives you the opportunity to paint it whatever color you like in the future. I would leave it as is since I love pine. It brings such warmth to a space. Also, this matching coat rack / shelf makes such a good use of a vertical space. Both the coat hanger and the bench have the same expression as the rust chest of drawers, making it perfect to combine for a uniform look in your hallway. I love that this one looks like a drawer. It's such a fun design. And we're finishing off with a product that finally got into the US IKEA stores, and that is this beige bin with a lid. I just love this one so much. It's such a versatile product that can be used in so many different ways as a bin, recycling station, laundry basket, and even for organizing things around your home. It really looks so cute, especially when combining a few of them, and I just love it so much. And that wraps up my list of new IKEA finds for this week. However, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell, allowing all notifications, since next week we are going to many more new IKEA finds. There has been just a ton of new stuff and I just can't wait to show you. Thank you so much for watching and for sticking with me to the very end. And as always, I'll see you designers next week. Bye! Guys, this is Zara. Hi, Zara. Hi, Zara. Hey, this is Zara and this is Marsh's daughter. Yes. Good girl. Good girl. This is why there was no video last week and the one before that, since we just got Zara and she's like 2 months old, so Zara, and she has been just a lot. Zara, Didi, 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 Didi.